Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create um, a SOCKSIP file using SOCKIP. Now, the following process are in this video. First, you copy your payload link, which is what I'm doing right now. You copy your payload link. From there, you go to SOCKIP. You wait for it to load. When it loads, you come to import and export. You reset your SOCKIP, so if there's any exported file, it's reset. So now we have a clean sheet. You see, it shows status server expired. Now, in order for us to update this, we come to payload, where our payload insert our link, our payload link. This is what is really very expensive, and the most important thing. In order to create your SOCKSIP file, you press on save. You come to back to the settings. You click the crown icon at the left of your screen. You load for your servers. Now the servers are loaded. These are the various locations in which can give you access to free data. You can choose any one convenient to you, but I mostly recommend USA 1, USA 2, and Amsterdam, because of the fast flow of internet in those servers. So we use Amsterdam. We load add video. Wait for the video add to load. In this process, your data have to be at its maximum. Sometimes getting to a Wi-Fi is more preferable because of stable connection. At this point, we have to have maximum data. So we're hoping the data is fast, and be patient. All right, there we go. That's our art. You see above the screen at the top right corner, you see reward loading in seconds, countdown. You have to wait for a second to finish. You see grant reward granted. You click on the reward granted. Click cancel. We have to wait a little. Okay. You can see it does not show server status expired. It shows the date of the next time to update right below. So right here, our config file is updated, and then you can click start to start browsing.